Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So I cannot believe how fast this year is going. And that's because Google and YouTube Music have just rolled out their latest quarterly recap between June and August 2025, which means we are now entering into our last quarter of this year, so time is flying. Now, I like to post on these recaps because this is where you can check out your favorite artists and songs. So basically, it's your top 50 songs between June and August. So it's a quarterly recap. And you get 10 of these recap so-called playlists. And this all started back in 2021 with a yearly recap. But just take note, though, that because you only get 10, every time a new recap rolls out, like it just has, YouTube Music removes the last one. So that's why I say in these videos, save it as a playlist if you want to keep it. And my reason for mentioning this every time is because every time I post one of these recap videos, somebody asks me in the comments, my playlist has been removed or my recap has been removed, how do I get it back? And the short answer is you can't, unless you save it as a playlist. So just giving you a quick heads up regarding that. Now, the yearly recaps, like the 2023 recap and the 2024 recap, give you your top 100 songs for the year. The quarterly recaps, like the one that's just rolled out, June to August, these give you your top 50 songs in that time period. So this would be my top 50 songs for winter in my region in the Southern Hemisphere, and obviously it would be your top 50 songs if you're in the Northern Hemisphere for the summer. And it's always interesting for me to hear what I've been listening to and what YouTube Music says are my top 50 songs. I do find that these recaps, though, are quite accurate, but sometimes they get it wrong, and there's a song in there that they say I was listening to in the top 50 for quite a bit, and I can't remember really listening to that song. But nonetheless, I like to post on these because it's always fun to listen to your top 50 songs for that quarter. And by the way, you can find this on your homepage. You just scroll down a bit where you'll see your different recaps, and you should then see your recap June to August 2025. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.